Hi, you reached. This is Tuesday of week 24. We'll start with number 1. -4 plus -10 is -14. The area of a path, 2 meters by 18 meters. This is 2 multiplied by 18 is 36 square meters. And 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3. 2 by 3 is 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. Simplify 30 over 35. Can you look at the 30 and you look at the 35 and say, what can we divide into both? Answer that's 5. So it's 6 over 7. Okay, question number 5. Numeral 10,110,110. 10, 100, oh, shtick. 110,000. 110. You see that? Anyway, number 6, 127 divided by 10 is 12. Remainder 7, and that's also 12.7 in this case because you're dividing by 10. Number 7, 6 kilograms and 30 grams is 6 and 30 over 1,000, which is 6.03. 6.030 if you want. It's all the same. And number 8, if you cycle your new blue bike for half an hour and cover 13.5 kilometers, how fast are you traveling? You're on at a fair lake there. Okay, does it matter that it's new? No. Does it matter that it's blue? No. Does it even matter that it's a bike? No. Half an hour and 13.5 kilometers, which means in an hour you'll be doing double 13.5, and double 13.5 is 27. All right, yes, 27 kilometers an hour, which is pretty fast on a bike. Number 9, square-based pyramid has how many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? So the faces, it's got one square one and 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangular or triangular one, so that's 5 faces. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom and 4 going up to the top. 8, and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners or 5 vertices in total. Question number 10. Multiples of 3 and 4 and match or color any matching multiples. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. And the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. The colored ones, or sorry, the matching ones she will be coloring are 12, 24, and 36. 12, 24, and 36 are in both. 3/5 is 0.6. Can you see it? Yeah. 1 minus 0.005 is 0.995. 1 hectare, HA for short, is 10,000 square meters. The angles in a trapezium add up to 360 degrees because a trapezium is a four-sided shape and all four-sided shapes are the same. An obtuse angle is less than a reflex angle. True or false? Well, an obtuse angle is a mile then, something like this. A reflex angle is ilan a ilzach, one of these letters here. So an obtuse angle is less. True. And number 16, 7 and 2/10 take away 9/10. Your answer is going to be 6 and 3/10. Let me figure it out. 1/2 plus 2/5. Okay, we have to change to something that has a common denominator in the bottom. So the 1/2 you're going to change. First of all, you have to do the list of the multiples of 2 and 5, and the answer to that is 10. 2, if you do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 5, 10. The first number on both 10. So we can change both of these to something over 10. So 1/2 equals 5 over 10. And 2/5 equals 4 over 10. So if you add them together, 5 and 4, you get 9/10. 6 squared is not 6 multiplied by 2. It's 6 multiplied by 6. 36 is your answer. Question 19, 625 milliliters is 5 over 8 liters. That's true. And 0.625 liters. If there are 1,000 teachers and 3/4 of them are female, how many are male? 1/4. And what's 1/4 of 1,000 is 250. Just goes to show we need more men teachers. And our lovely problem solving for Tuesday. So you would fold this up to make a little dice for yourself. And the question is, which faces opposite 5? So 5, the one adjacent to that is a 2, and then down the other side is this A. So the answer opposite 5 is going to be A. And which faces opposite C? It's not quite as straightforward because there's one here in that position there. But this one, when you fold it up, will be. So that will fold down, this will fold beside it. So B will be opposite C. You'll also see here, it'll be C, and next to it is 5, and the one around the corner is B. Okay.